everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward with another vacancy for you, that too in the medical and dental field, and that too with the best option just after BDS. Yes, it is the vacancy as a JR-ship. So without wasting time, let's start with the vacancy detail. It is the vacancy in the Defense Research and Development Organization with the post name of Junior Research Fellow or the Research Associate. The total number of posts outs are 3 in number, and they require the qualification, that is the graduate, BDS, postgraduate, even the PhD. The last date that you can apply for this vacancy is the 14th December of this year. DRDO job notification releases the information for the hiring of the 3 junior research fellow or the research associate post, which has been released on the official website, which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career can have a walk-in application on or before 14th December of this year. There is one post as research associate, and the qualification required for that post is the PhD in Life Sciences. The second post is the Junior Research Fellowship. They require the qualification for this post is the first class MSc with NET in physics or the applied physics or in nuclear medicine or even in the medical physics, followed by first class BTech with the valid GATE score in the applied physics or engineering physics, or even the MTech in physics or applied physics, followed by they require the first class graduate and postgraduate level MTech is the exempted from the NET or GATE as per the guidelines. Now the third post is the Junior Research Fellowship post, and they require only and only the first class BDS graduate. Now the most important part is apna sapna money, that is the salary detail. For the research associate, the salary is rupees 54,000 per month. Junior research fellowship, the salary is rupees 31,000 per month. And for the junior research fellowship, again the second post, they require the salary, that is rupees 31,000 per month. Definitely age limit is also there. For the research associate, the age limit is 35 years, and for the junior research fellowship post, the age limit is 28 years. Age relaxation is there, that is the 3 years for OBC, 5 years for ST/SC. Selection process, that it is based upon the walking interview or the written exam. Now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Interested and eligible candidates should submit their application in the prescribed format along with the complete biodata at the time of interview. The address is the INMAS is located 1 kilometer from the Vishwavidyalaya metro station, Delhi, towards the Timarpur area, opposite to the University of Delhi North Campus, and nearest landmark is the SBI ATM SSPL branch, Timarpur, Delhi. Interview date is 14 December of this year. That's all about it, today's vacancy. Hope you like this vacancy, then hit the like button to this video. Along with that, there are the PDF available with the solved questions, that too asked in the JR-ship questions or the JR-ship, right? In the JR-ship job. So don't forget to check out that, and you can have it by contacting me either by dropping me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me there. Thank you for watching.